of judges, accurate timekeeper, method debaters, and the general audience. My name is Mariam Idris. I'm here to support the motion which says that tailoring is better than makeup. Before I start, I would like to define tailoring. Tailoring is the art of designing, cutting, fitting, and finishing clothes. Firstly, you cannot do makeup and come out without wearing a clothes. As a human being, you cannot move from one place to another without wearing a cloth, because clothes is what covers our nakedness. With this reason, clothes is very important to our lives. During the olden days, our forefathers know nothing about clothes. Tailoring is the most fashionism work of art with the help of the following: cutting, needles, and thread. I hope with these few points you agree that tailoring is better than opportunity to appreciate Abdul Abad Mekwashewa and appreciate my teacher, Malam Shamsuddin Muhammad. I will still appreciate to Hajia Asma Ukainwa, Hajia Baba.